Hello. Today, I'd like to introduce the Scale Order feature available for Polymarket markets. To use these features, you first need to connect the wallet associated with your Polymarket account to Hey Traders. We have a separate video guide that explains how to connect your wallet, so please check it out first if needed. Now, I'm going to place an order in Polymarket's BTC up or down market. First, click the Symbol button to open Symbol Search. Select the Polymarket subtab, find the market you want, and click it. In Hey Traders, you can place a quick order directly from the chart, or submit an order from the panel on the right.
I prefer placing orders from the chart, so that's what I'll use in this demonstration. To place a chart order, click once at your desired price on the chart. An order line will appear. On the order line, click the Settings icon, enable Quick Order, and enter your preferred default order settings. The Scale Order feature allows you to place multiple orders at once. It is commonly used by traders who want to scale into a position across multiple price levels as the market price falls. To use this feature, hover over your desired price on the chart and click the plus button that appears next to the price scale. The Scale Order option will appear, as shown here. Select it, and depending on whether you position the range above or below the selected price, a buy scale or sell scale range will appear. Click where you want the range to end, and the order intent lines will be created across the selected range. You can adjust the quantity or order amount of an individual order from the controls on the far left. To change the price of a specific order, simply drag its order line to the desired price. Scale orders also let you set take profit and stop loss levels directly on the chart by dragging them to your desired prices.
You can also enable trailing stop for every order by entering your preferred trailing values in Quick Settings. Once everything is configured, click Buy. As shown here, the 5 orders you configured will appear under Open Orders, confirming that they were submitted successfully. Get an edge when placing Polymarket orders with Hey Traders. If you experience any issues, please contact us at contact@heytraders.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.